Kenya. What do you think ya Gideon?
Gideon hari maundu meri. One, they work on a reshuffle to do which any atatu or something the cabinet. And as you are saying, Korea do a Mount Kenya Mau Kinuka. Kana hiyo na to kwa Mount Kenya no mainuka akudu kugi. Kurigana o Kefago. But the other side of it, no kiria gusi ya mundu gwitwo Gideon no it is might be cooked. Korwo hororo wale wafatani gatonye politics. Haikareja. Thirikari ya mundu gwitwo kire tondu ginya ni ukuona he was one of the main supporters Araira. But he was never featured the funeral. Now mwenye he is a son of the former president. Otoria urare former. So hari kaudu tondu William no ede kunyita siasa cia Rift Valley. Uri Raila aranyitete siasa cia Nyanza. Atari muikia wa mugwi. Na gushiria Gideon is a thorn in the flesh. Ni muigwa. Ndiwe muigwa cio nigo turona. No muico-ini kuriota mugumo. Riwa tondu ndirona William ari akenetio muno ni horo cio wa gutuika kuri mundu muhuraga from within.
Thank you very much. Toshokia
Shesheni hakuhe nawe.